Hi, beloved client. Today I will be showing you guys what to do for the new SST rate that going to increase on from 1st of March onwards from 6% to 8%. So this is what you need to do in Xero. First thing that you need to come to the accounting and then advance and then goes to the tax rate here. So from the tax rate, you should be able to see your current setting, which is the SST for the 6%. So I'll recommend you to add a new tax rate here. Click on the new tax rate. So this is a name that you will be displaying. So let's put an example of this. We can put as SST here and put 8%. So once you're done, typically you can see there's a new tax rate here. So there are a few areas that will be affected. So if you have created the product and service code previously for all your services or product codes and it's really preset to the 6% SST rate, so you actually can go to every single service code. For example, let's say this development work, you can click into it and then edit the item and then change the tax rate from the previous 6 to 8%. And then you actually can save this. So moving forward, when you issue the invoice or quotation in the future, when you select this service code, it will be automatically pop up the 8% here. So other areas, the settings that you could do is under the accounting, chart of accounts. Let's say you can select whenever there's a sales going that I choose as a sales account, it will be automatically tied up to this SST 8%. So you can save it. So in the future, it will, when you choose this account, sales account, it will reflect the SST 8%. So let's go to the invoices to show you some examples. For example, if I go to the new invoice here, and let's say you select the ABC furniture, for example, I just randomly create some information. You can see when there's a sales account auto-populate, the 8% will appear immediately. And then they'll calculate the tax. So make sure this is also exclusive. Your default setting should be a tax exclusive method where 1,000, it will add up the 8% in the future. So these are the things that can be done. The rest, we actually can look at the development work, the service code that I've chosen just now. Once you select it, again, you can see all the sales account and SST code will be automatically pop up. So these are the things that will be affected from 1st of March onwards. So please remember to do this setting, like change the SST code for the service and product code, and also the chart of accounts, maybe the last day of February or the first day of March. So, and other things that you will see is actually under the accounting reports, where you need to look at your sales tax that you need to pay, right? So under the accounting and reports, you can search for this sales tax report. So these are the favorite report. You actually can scroll down all the way to look at this sales tax report. So once you click into it, then you may choose your date. For example, I want to populate 1st of January 2024 until 29th of February 2024. So once I updated it, so you can see just now I created the invoice for the SST 8%. It will appear as this SST 8%. And let's say in the period you also have the 6% tax rate. It will split into two columns. So that's where you can differentiate the 6 and 8% for the SST submissions in the future. If you want to look at the details, you can come to this sales tax audit report to look at the SST 8% is actually coming up from which invoices. So if you scroll down further, you actually can put it through to the right. So you can see the details for the gross sales and the SST and the net amount that for your sales. And this report, actually, you actually can export a PDF file as a supporting before you submit the SST. So I think this is a quick update of like overall what you need to do from 1st of March onwards after the increase of SST rate from 6% and 8%. So if you have any further questions, please reach out to us so we will assist you accordingly. Thank you so much.